If you're looking for the best UX design courses on Coursera, this video covers the top 3 programs based on ratings, reviews, popularity, certification value, and industry credibility. Before we begin, check the discount link in the description. Eligible learners can get 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. My number 3 pick is the Microsoft UX Design Professional Certificate. It has a 4.7-star rating and offers a complete beginner-friendly learning path. You'll learn user research, wireframing, prototyping, interaction design, Figma, and AI-powered UX workflows. It's a great choice if you want a Microsoft-backed credential. At number 2 is the IBM UI/UX Designer Professional Certificate. It holds a 4.8-star rating with nearly 3,000 reviews. The program teaches design thinking, user research, wireframing, Figma, responsive design, prototyping, and portfolio development. IBM's strong reputation makes this certificate highly credible. My number 1 recommendation is the Google UX Design Professional Certificate. It has an outstanding 4.8-star rating with over 100,000 reviews, making it one of the most popular certificates on Coursera. You'll learn user research, information architecture, wireframing, usability testing, responsive web design, accessibility, Figma, and complete hands-on portfolio projects. For most beginners, this is the best overall UX design certificate available. All 3 programs are beginner-friendly and include professional certificates from globally recognized technology companies. They can help strengthen your resume and prepare you for entry-level UX design roles. Instead of paying for courses individually, I recommend Coursera Plus. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations. You can earn unlimited certificates from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and many other leading partners. If you're serious about starting a UX design career, Coursera Plus offers the best overall value. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.